All right, everybody, Sylvia here coming to you from church on a gorgeous day in the desert of Southern California. Today, I want to do a video talking about a new account that I just opened called Patreon. I want to explain what it is and how I'm going to be using it. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, yes. So first of all, I want to give just a little bit of history about my tours and how I've been documenting it. It's been kind of an evolution, if you will. I started in 2007. This is before social media, before Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I had a blog. I had to go to internet cafes, pay by the hour to update it. And I've had that since I first started in 2007, and I have continued to update it to this day. When I first started, I had no idea what I was doing. I had no plan for how long I would tour. I certainly never expected that I would still be touring at age 64 in the year 2023. 5 years ago, I started my YouTube channel as a way to expand how I document my travels, which I was mostly doing for myself, for my family, for my friends, for anybody that wanted to follow along. As I continued with my YouTube channel, I started to expand what I was doing. So instead of just doing ride videos, documenting the traveling that I was doing on my trike, I started doing gear reviews, tips, tutorials, and I started taking on a role of being an advocate where I would talk about why you would want to ride a recumbent, what's fun about riding recumbent tricycles. And I started to take that role a lot more seriously as a way to give back to something that has just given me so much. I started the YouTube channel 5 years ago, and I now have 5,000 subscribers, which is really amazing. And I love all the comments that you guys leave for me in all of my videos. The growth has been steady, but very slow. And I think that this niche that I have picked, and I am very focused on this niche, it's just too small to ever expect to make any money, anything significant from the ads that YouTube puts in these videos. In fact, I have turned off monetization on my videos. I found that it really was hurting my videos more than helping. People get to the ads in a video and they just click off. And so I wasn't making any money because people aren't watching the ads, and then more importantly, people aren't watching my videos. You know, maybe I'm at the ground floor of a growing niche, and who knows, maybe there'll be a lot more growth in this industry and I'll start to see more views. Right now I'm getting about 1,000, 1,500 views, which I think is a lot. It's not enough to make any substantial money from YouTube. I always think, like, if I gave a talk and 1,000 or 1,500 people showed up, that would be a really big audience. And who knows, maybe sometime in the future, if I ever get like 5,000 or 7,000 views per video, maybe I'll turn it on again. But considering it's taken 5 years to get where I am, I think it's going to be many, many more years before I see that number of views. And so this is really why I have started this Patreon account, as a way to give my supporters, followers, subscribers a way to contribute and support my channel in a more tangible way. Patreon is a website that is set up for creators, and these are people who create in any genre. It can be any type of art, painting, dancing, musicians, filmmakers, and of course YouTube channels as well. And it's really for people that have a following. A lot of people enjoy their content, but they don't have a way to make any money, and so they're turning to their subscribers or supporters or followers to make a contribution on this website called Patreon. I have put a link in the description of the video that will take you directly to my Patreon page. I hope that you'll take a look at that, and you can become a member of my Patreon for as little as $1. I have set up 3 membership tiers. The lowest level is $3, where you can buy me a cup of coffee a month. The second level is $5. I make my YouTube videos available for viewing earlier than I do on my YouTube channel, so it's kind of like a sneak peek. And then the third level is $10, so you can take me out for dinner once a month. And I've set those up just to kind of give you an idea of how I'm thinking of this. Almost like a virtual tip jar where you can let me know that you enjoy my content and you would like to see me continue doing what I'm doing. I really think that I'm the only person that does what I do. I know that there are other people that have YouTube channels. I probably subscribe to them, but I really don't know of anyone else that has, first of all, been doing what I do as long as I have, since 2007. And I don't know of anybody else that keeps a blog and a YouTube channel. I've also been just giving out a tremendous amount of information since day one. And of course, I'm happy to do it. I really am thinking of my channel and my blog as a place where people can come for good and reliable information about recumbents and recumbent triking and traveling and touring. And I think I do offer that. It's been really important that I show what it's like to ride a recumbent trike. And so on my videos, I'm really taking you for a ride on my trike. I want to show what it's like from the seat of the trike. So like I said, there is a link in the description of this video that'll take you directly to my Patreon. If you can sign up, fantastic. You can sign up for as little as $1. I will completely understand if you cannot. Nothing about my YouTube channel will change. Everything will be accessible just like it always has, and my blog as well. There's no requirement, there's no expectation. It's just there. It's an easy way to give people a chance to contribute to my efforts, to maybe give me some motivation. I do have 10 patrons already. I can't tell you how wonderful it feels to have that tangible support. Thank you so very, very much. I am really, really appreciative. I would love to know what you think of this video, of the Patreon idea and account. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I want to know your thoughts. Be safe, stay healthy, and thank you for following along.